What do you do when you're 50 plus and you don't have enough or very little saved for retirement? That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Hi, my name is Yolanda. I'm a wealth advisor, and it is my goal on this platform to give you easy, actionable tips, content, and strategies that you can use to manage money well, to live abundantly, and build generational wealth. First thing, know that you're not alone in this. All right, there's a lot of people that are not adequately prepared for retirement. So hopefully this video is going to make a difference to many of you. In fact, of the 3.6 million South Africans that are currently in retirement, only about 12% actually get an income, and more than 90% of retirees have less than 50,000 rands in their retirement funds. That's a scary number, and I don't want you to be part of that statistic. So join me and take down a few notes. Please consider some of the things that I'm saying. Try and make it workable in order for you to have a good retirement. And many people that are approaching retirement age are in this situation currently, wondering where the time went. I mean, early in your career, you may have gotten married, started a family, bought a house, put those kids through university, and here you are, 50 years old, 60 years old, wondering where the time went and with very little savings for retirement. Now, it's always wise to start off earlier. So if you're somebody that's younger watching this video, please start planning for your retirement as early as you can. All right, so the first thing that you're going to do is, one, you got to assess the situation, how old you are right now. When are you planning to retire? And get that time span together, because that's your game plan, right? And how you're going to adequately prepare for your golden years. So if you're 50, maybe you have another 15 years until your retirement age, or 55, you have another 10 years. I mean, it is a significant period of time. You can make some inroads into retirement funding during this time. Secondly, you got to look at the greatest asset that you currently have right now, and that's an ability to generate an income. And it's not really about how much you earn, all right? It's about how much you keep. And as you age, your body gets a little bit sicker, you're more prone to illness, and then you have some downtime. And in this downtime, this affects your ability to earn an income. In South Africa, we have some amazing financial products, and one of those are income protection, which basically protects you from losing any income that can stem from you being sick or disabled in any kind of way. So in South Africa, if you have this cover in place, if you must work, all right, within the required time frames, maybe 7 days or 14 days or anything more than that, if you must work because of any sickness or ailment, your income will come into your household. It's a very sweet benefit to have, a very necessary benefit. And traditionally, your financial planner, maybe they're only planning for death cover or dreaded disease cover or disability cover. Income protection is that fourth leg. It's the modern leg, okay, that you need. You need to ensure your ability to earn an income. Next is money management, and the reality is even folks with a lot of money are not managing their money well, although they're earning a lot of money. And typically I find that the lower or the middle income earners are managing their money a lot better. And we have this thing called lifestyle creep. When we get a raise at work, we start upgrading our lifestyles, new phone, new car, maybe upgrade your accommodation as well. All right, and we want to avoid that, especially at this stage in your life where you know you're short. Any salary increases from this point on needs to go towards your retirement planning. The next step is for you to know your numbers. And by that, I mean your money. You need to know where your money is coming from, where your money is going, your cash inflows, your cash outflows. And that process is called a spending analysis, where we critically look at where is all of this money going. And once we've identified that and we know where we're bleeding money, we want to restructure that. And that's the budgeting process. If you need help with any of these downloadable templates, side-by-side instruction videos on how to do this chunk of money management, join me in Money 101. That's our new course that'll get you started on this whole money journey. And I know maybe you're a little bit older, but this is an opportunity to just have your financial slate clean and learn how to manage your money correctly. So I know a lot of people, you're tracking or you're planning, but you're not actively budgeting, and it can be a scary thing. So try and get that negative image of budgeting out of your head and be more positive with how you manage your money. The next thing is you got to focus on keeping more of your hard-earned money. And I know people are obsessed with earning more money, But I wish they'd be more obsessed about keeping more of their hard-earned money. And you can do that easily by paying less taxes, by legally paying less taxes. Now, there is a plethora of deductions and tax exemptions that you have in South Africa. You need to learn about them. And we teach this inside Money 101. You can also consult a tax specialist. Also, check out our taxes playlist on YouTube that can give you an idea of how you can start maneuvering for tax. Next, you got to be creative. Think outside the box. Look at a side hustle. And I'm a big fan of e-commerce because this allows you to build a business online at your own pace. So you can learn as you go with very little startup costs. And in fact, e-commerce is a bustling industry in South Africa. And by 2025, it's set to be a 400 billion rand industry. This learning curve can be as fast and as slow as you need it to be. And it's something that you can nurture. You don't have to be profitable right up front because you don't have that pressure, because you're not retired right now. Maybe you have a couple of years to grow this business, to learn the technology, to nurture it. And this could be good cash flow for you in the future, because although the economy of South Africa is not doing too well, but this one segment of the economy is booming dramatically and you need to take advantage of it. The next thing is consider working for longer. People are living longer. Our medical technology is better. People are exercising more. We know more about all of these various lifestyle diseases and how to manage it a lot better. So you could have the option of working longer if your employer allows it. I mean, look at Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is 92 and he drinks a Coke a day, sometimes even more than one. So check out my retirement playlist here and start planning for your retirement.